Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For this painting, I've decided to go Impasto style. I wanted to capture the uneven texture of the rocks and was hoping to achieve that with a pallete knife coupled with heavy body acrylic paint. My ego is still a little wounded from the measly views by my last needle painted textured landscape video. It was a disaster, but it seems that I've not learned my lesson, so I'm still going to use the needle for certain parts of this painting. I love the grainy texture that it creates, but I guess I have acquired taste. For this painting, I've also decided to branch away from my signature flowers. It's become almost too convenient to add a flower that I've lost a fragment of my creativity simply by brightening up the piece with a random flower. So no flowers today. I love the addition of the airmail envelope resting on one of the rocks. I usually like to insert items into the painting that would evoke a sense of mystery or longing. In this case, it would be the contents of the letter inside. Would it be a happy or a sad one, a hello or a goodbye, a bringer of glad tidings or a bad one? I think words are such a powerful tool, hence as the saying goes, a pen is mightier than the sword. I've never been really good at expressing myself verbally, and I find it hard to find the right words to say when it comes to the matters of the heart. I find it much easier to articulate my thoughts and feelings through written notes or texts. In this way, I'll also be able to rant everything that I want to say at a go without leaving out any good points to further enforce my argument that I am right. I miss the days when pen pals were a thing. Before the internet took over the world, you would find ads for pen pals in children magazines. I used to have a few before year 2000. Every letter received was always exciting, coupled with the element of surprise, as we never knew when it was going to arrive. I always look forward to reading the contents followed by the replying part of it. Anyway, my handwriting is probably incorrigible now, given that I hardly write with a pen. On a side note, did you know that geniuses have horrible handwriting? Apparently the brain moves much faster than the hand's ability to keep up, hence extremely smart people don't want to lose that great idea or thought to pesky things like handwriting. It's just not as important in the grand scheme of things. Anyway, I hope you like this painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
Always ends the same when it was me and you. Every time I need somebody new, it's like deja vu. I swear they sound the same. It's like they know my skin. Every word they say sounds just like him, and it goes like this. We'll get you up on your feet to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lay on the backseat. There's something in the wind, I can feel it blowing in. It's coming in softly on the wings of a bomb. This lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's drive to get. Who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn? I've been thinking it's just someone else's drive to get. Who am I to wanna try? But lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's drive to get. Who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn? I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get. 'Cause who am I to wanna try? But change is a powerful thing. People are powerful beings trying to find the power in me to be faithful. Change is a powerful thing. I feel it coming in me. Maybe by the time summer's done, I'll be able to be lately. I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get. Who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn? I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get. Who am I to wanna try? But lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get. Who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn? I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get. 'Cause who am I to wanna try? But lately I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get. Who am I to sympathize when no one gave a damn? I've been thinking it's just someone else's job to get. Who am I to wanna try? But always ends the same when it was me and you. Every time I need somebody new, it's like deja vu. I swear they sound the same. It's like they know my skin. Every word they say sounds just like him, and it goes like this.